So now if you've taken your hat and you've had fun with it, but you want to change it into something else, we can also make this into a boat. So what we're going to do is squash the hat down into this square diamond shape, all across there. And then we're going to just fold it just across the top. So we're going to take the bottom flap, fold that up to the top point and squash that crease across there. There we go. And then we're going to flip it over, do the same on the other side, like so. And then we're going to open this up again, just from the middle. Just get your thumbs in, and then we're just going to squash it flat again. So we've got another square shape. And then we're going to fold the bottom half up to the top, just like so. We're just going to draw a line across there. So it's not quite all the way up to the top, just about halfway along. And I'm going to flip it over, do the same on the other side, just like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to very gently take the tops, the top of the folds here, and we're just going to pull them outwards. Okay, so just take them lightly and give it a little pull. And there we go. And open it up slightly, and there you have your boat. So from hat to boat. I hope you enjoyed that.